Portable, professional, perfect. Need a professional display that's quick to set up and easy to carry? Meet the Zig-Zag Acrylic Brochure stand. From flat to full in seconds. This stand unfolds effortlessly. No tools needed. Built with anodized metal and high-clarity acrylic shelves, it's lightweight yet sturdy and locks securely in place. With 6 display tiers, your prints are always perfectly organized and easy to grab. Perfect for exhibitions, product launches, and office displays, giving your booth that clean, professional edge. Available now at Image Magic, ideal to print.